Yes, viewers and subscribers. This is Jam1 Media TV, the leader TV. And on the topic today, woman caught her Jamaican husband cheating in a Brooklyn apartment. She worked 3 jobs, filed for the guy to come to the US, and he cheated on her while she's at work. He still didn't get his 10-year green card. He's still on a temporary green card. Please share your views in the comment section. Please like and share and subscribe.
Never know this would have reached me. It's like I'm gonna prepared because I know anything can happen. But this bigger than me. I can't manage. I leave already, but still I think back. I have to go back tomorrow.
Yeah, Facebook, good morning. Good morning, and I wonder what me up doing so early, right? Well, my so-called husband, this is his new apartment, and I'm waiting on him. He's nowhere to come out. You know, this is new apartment. I'm here waiting on him to come out, and now come out. David, I'm outside. Come out, David. Come out, because this is not your apartment, you know, David. This is not your apartment. You don't live at 423 Bleakers Avenue in Brooklyn. You live at 423 Warburton. So what are you doing here? Come out, David. Come out. Come out. Why are you in there? Come out, David, or you come to 423 and take out your stuff out my apartment. Come out, Mr. David. Your car is there. You can't hide, nigga. Get out, motherfucker. Huh? You and that bitch, come outside. Whore, come outside. Yeah. The motherfucker ain't coming outside. But I have all day. I'm going to be here. And I'm going to be waiting on him. I'm going to see if he think I'm going nowhere. I ain't going nowhere, motherfucker. I'm going to be outside waiting on you, okay? Remember that, motherfucker. Yeah, him car park right down there. Yeah, we're going to walk to the car, okay? Yeah, motherfucker, you better get the fuck out. You know? Come home, motherfucker, and take out your stuff. Your germs. Your fucking germs. Get out, motherfucker. You ain't coming out. No, you ain't coming out, right? You love drama. This is what I get early in the morning. Drama you love. Get out. Huh. All right. Let me go show you the car, guys. I ain't lying. I ain't lying, you know. I don't have time to lie. See him car there? This is the apartment. Him car there right there, sir. Let me show you. Him car. Him like disgrace, so we give him disgrace, you know. Them not like good man. Them like disgrace. So, you give them disgrace. See old dog shit car here? This same car. Him not living in Brooklyn. Same car here. All the time him tell me, oh, him damn brother house. Same car right here. This I look a dog shit car. See? This I look a dog shit car. See license plate there? That's him. Yeah. Yeah. Him brother living in the no him there. Every day him tell me same damn brother. This is where they look a dog shit at. But I'm waiting for him. I have all day to wait on that motherfucker. All motherfucking day, germs. All day, germs. Get the fuck out. All day. Yeah, motherfucker. I've all day waiting for... Yeah, look. See him? Look at him coming out. I've all day waiting on your germs. Yeah, all motherfucking day. Come out, motherfucker. Come out, germs. Yeah, come out. A woman you want. Come out. I hope she can give you your fucking 10-year green card. Because where do you come up here and come scam me? You come up here and come scare me. You get your 2-year green card and you think so you have your 10 years. I hope she can give it to you. Get out, motherfucker. Don't peep. Get the fuck out. Like and share Facebook. Like and share. This needs to go viral. See my P there? Don't peep. Get the fuck out, dog shit. Fuck out, dog shit. Get out. Don't peep. Yeah, look for your car. Don't peep. Get the fuck out, cheater. Yeah, 420 Bleakers Avenue. Yes, hi neighbors. Sorry to wake you guys up, but my husband in there fucking a bitch, and he's supposed to be home. All I do is work and come home, and when I work, he come here and fuck. I work and pay all the bills. This motherfucker don't do nothing but fuck, 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 fuck. I bring him from Jamaica, give him green card, and this is what I get. Come on, motherfucker. Come out, you and your stinking whore. Come out. You cheating motherfucker. Why you turn back? You whore. You make sure you come get your stuff out of my house. You fucking cheating motherfucker. Like and share Facebook. Like and fucking share. This is what you get for bringing a fucking asshole from Jamaica. He live at 423 Warburton. And look where him end up. 420 Bleakers Avenue in Brooklyn. You stinking motherfucker. Get the fuck out. Huh? Every night, him go away. Every day, him go away. And this is where him adopt me for a piece of little shithole girl. This is where the old fucker adopt me for. A little piece of idiot girl. You know? 3 fucking jobs I work to make this motherfucker look good. 3 jobs! 3 jobs I work to make this motherfucker look good. You like disgrace, motherfucker. Yeah, you think I'm so quiet, eh? I'm not that quiet, motherfucker. You come and get your stuff out of my house. Why you turn back? Get the fuck out, germs. Get the fuck out. Corona, come out, Corona. Yeah, people, sorry to wake you up, neighbor, but that's my fucking husband, my so-called husband that I bring from Jamaica. All he do is cheat on me. Tell me that he's at his brother's house in Brooklyn all the time. Every day he's at his brother's house. He spend no time with me. We don't do nothing together. We don't do nothing. All he do is fucking this bitch. Fuck this bitch. That's all he do. I work 3 jobs and all he do is cheat. Work, cheat. All he do is cheat. See him there come out Facebook? See the germs there? Yeah, that's the germs right there. See him there? See him there Facebook? See the old fart there? Yes. But glad to see him. That's his new apartment now, motherfucker. You make sure you go to 423 Warburton and take your fucking clothes off, dumb shit. Alright, Facebook, the drama. See him the Facebook? Let me just reverse. Oh, germs. That little slut in it. You peeping, bitch? I'm going to stab you in your fucking face, you whore. Yeah, Facebook. See the whore there?